ai ba ka jingsuk kanwan ha Manipur ngi kwa jingsuk ha Manipur kadi kadi ka sur jung ki pat ba nong shong shnong jang ka jala Manipur ka ba hakini ki laibanai duna ai kala mat ya ka jing snam ka ba shirkhai ha du ka ta di sha thang jung ki yin ki sam di sha panyap jung ki briu ka jing pet shnong jung ki briu ka jing du no ya ka jing don jing em bat ki we de ka jing kodit ka jing sosat jung ki jai ben riu ki badon ha ka te ka jala ka daw ka long namar bakala mi ke jing yakan at ke jing snam ha prengki arkanun ki jai beri ki beri ki trash nong jung katai ka jalla katai ka long ki meitai bat ki Kuki su ha jalla Manipur ki jai beri ki bakham pa ki basong ki pasa angtai ki long ki meitai ki badan pelat sunfly person ke jing bun beriu ki Kuki ki badan pelat arsan person bat kumjuru ki naka bat ki Kuki ki ki rulum bat ki babun ki ki kristan kat bagi meitai bat ki basong ha ki them jongka jala Manipur kamtama ki Bynta jongka Imphal ba ki dei ki blok Hindu kalang ka President Church of India kum ka snow tilang ban Duwai na ka Bynta ka jingsuk jingsan ha ka jala Manipur bat kamtam na ka Bynta ki paima ki basong ki pasa ka te gisnong kan pelong ka jing Duwai menta ka si ka lai potarik unai tung arhajar arfulai habaro ki balang ki badan hapo ka President Church of India bat ka jing Duwai kalong ban Duwai Kyrpang na ta ka suk ka sanya kedai ka jela ban Duwai Kyrpang na ta ki pai kristan bakin la ban sha ban light ni jing bagi amat lemba ki jing ja ka jing snam ban Duwai du ka jing da ka ju ublei nam ta jongki ka pisai ka labu ban Duwai Kyrpang na kam ta ki ba palong kristan bakin yo mat ya ka ju pen im ka ju Jesus Christ kum ta baro ki balang ki ban po PCI kin pelong ya ka jing Duwai Kyrpang nda menta kasi ki babun ki bala pawa ki khwal ki bala mi kelong ki sha ban ben jong ki Kuki na bag badi ki red pan bat ki Kuki ki lali keleng ka India ban pan chinyarap namar baka Sorkar jalla apo ka jalam jog BJP kambiur ka Sorkar plan kam snap satya ya ka jing ka jing nam jong ki
today mark exactly 87 days since the ethnic violence erupted in Manipur, and this is our story. For me to come here, to stand here in Delhi, all the way from Manipur. Though I am from Manipur, I cannot access the airport in Manipur. I have to go by road all the way to Dimapur. You know why? Because if I step my feet in the valley that is Imphal, I can just be killed. And this is not exaggeration. They are meticulously hunting for even a single soul. And Chief Minister Mr. N. Biren Singh is talking about peace. How can he talk about peace when he wiped the entire Kuki Zoo existence from the valley? How can he? I am shivering not because I am scared. I'm shivering because I feel the pain. I have seen the murderers. I have seen that every time I close my eye, the mental trauma that I go in. Who is going to pay the price of that? Who is going to pay the price for all the trauma that each one of us are suffering right now? While I was coming in the air, while I was taking a flight, my tears was just consuming me, and there was this lady who was sitting next to me. She asked me, "Why are you crying? Is there anything that is bothering you?" How can I tell her that I am broken? How can I tell her that I'm broken? Physically, mentally, spiritually. How can we, as Kuki Zoo community, how are we going to recover from this trauma? Today, as I stand here, there are so many young people in the frontier defending our land. Today, I want to talk about a young man, the story of a young man. His name is Loon Vaipe. He was 19 years. You know what he did? He fought like a fierce lion, protecting the chastity of his sister. He died while protecting the chastity of his sister. And today, I want to pay respect to Loon Vaipe, a Kuki Zoo man. He had the potential to be the best in the country, yet he died protecting his sister. And I want to tell, if you're listening, Loon, you did not just protect your sister, you protected me, and you protected all the women of Kuki Zoo community. And I'm so proud of you. Today, as I stand here, We have the same blood as yours. We fought for this Indian independence and we're so proud that I am Indian and I will die as Indian. You know, for everyone present here this evening, I want to say, we as a tribal, land is the center of our being.